Now, with desk positions, we often will get asked, is there remote positions available? Is that something that is ever a possibility for a desk adjuster, or is it always in an office?
Yeah, absolutely. So there's definitely remote positions. I mean, matter of fact, probably 50% of our property department is remote in different states, Iowa, Michigan, North Carolina, Georgia, all over the place, really. So we definitely have remote positions that are available, and we like to hire people as remote. A lot of it goes into, making sure you're responsible, using your time wisely and things, just because you're not in an office setting with everybody else. But we have found that folks that do remote work do a really good job. So, yeah, I mean, it's something that we, are definitely okay with, and, positions that we hire for, absolutely.
Right. With with a remote position, would they be required to come into an office for a trial period to kind of see, so you can evaluate to see if they're even capable of working remote? I mean, what's kind of the expectations on that? Or if someone just gets hired and, hey, send me my stuff, let me work from home from day one.
Yeah, we do go through an interview process at first, so we get to know a little bit about them, what they've done in the past. But then we also ask them to come in for a week. Get to know us, get to know the supervisors that are in the office. All of our supervisors right now are local, so we're always here. We go through a week, maybe 2 weeks of training to begin with. Then we can also do remote training as well if needed. But we do ask all of our new desk adjusters to come into the office for training for at least a week.